EMQX has announced the global availability of its Cloud MQTT Service, EMQX Cloud, on the Google Cloud Marketplace. Listing in Google Cloud Marketplace allows Google and EMQ users to purchase and manage MQTT service from Google Cloud Marketplace easily. As the best alternative to Google Cloud IoT Core, after its recent shutdown on August 16, 2023, EMQX Cloud available on Google Cloud Marketplace will make it even more convenient for business migration to discover, install, and manage this scalable, reliable, secure MQTT service. EMQX Cloud onboarding through Google Cloud Marketplace provides the best possible experience in delivering the highest quality IoT connectivity solutions. EMQX on Google Cloud Marketplace offers users a hassle-free procurement process, providing easy purchase and deployment options for those looking for ideal IoT connectivity solutions. It's fully integrated with other Google Cloud services. EMQX Cloud can integrate easily with other Google Cloud services like PubSub. You can obtain a complete end-to-end IoT connectivity solution, allowing your business to control Google Cloud's data management and EMQ's MQTT connectivity capabilities. Listing EMQX in the Google Cloud Marketplace also eases migration for current IoT Core users. EMQ offers expert guidance on Google IoT Core migration to EMQX Cloud, ensuring a secure and seamless transition with minimal downtime. Go to Google Cloud Marketplace and subscribe to EMQX Cloud today.